Uncle killed after intervening in nephew's dispute with woman. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 29-year-old Ricardo Romes, a chef of Rose Heights, St. James, was charged with murder in connection with the death of his uncle on Boxing Day. Romes is charged with the murder of 55-year-old Bentley Voss, a mason of the same district. Reports from the Montego Bay police are that at around 2 a.m., Romes had an altercation with a woman when Vance intervened. A dispute developed between Romes and Vance when Vance reportedly pulled a knife and stabbed the now deceased on his hand. It is alleged that Vance was assisted inside his home when Romes kicked off the door and attacked him with the weapon. Vance was reportedly stabbed several times to the left side of his chest. The police were summoned and Vance was taken to hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. A court date for him is being finalized for the accused, the police stated. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.